Hello children, welcome to Maths with Madhavi. Today we are going to learn addition of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. But before we begin, let me ask you a question. What is 99 plus 1? What is your answer? Yes, the answer is 100. Very good children. Remember, 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. Now tell me, what is the greatest 3-digit number? Yes, correct. 999. Very good children. Now, let's look at the place value chart. A 3-digit number has 3 places: hundreds, tens and ones. Now, let's see our first example of adding 3-digit numbers. Add 453 and 234. Write the numbers one below the other. Make sure the hundreds, tens and ones are in the correct columns. Now start adding. Remember, we always start adding from the ones place. In the ones place we have 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Write 7 in the ones place. Now let's add the tens. In the tens place we have 5 and 3. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Write 8 in the tens place. Now let's add the hundreds. In the hundreds place we have 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Write 6 in the hundreds place. So our answer is 687. Very good children. Now let's solve a story sum. A library had 324 books. It received 651 new books. How many books does the library have now? First, let's write the given information. Our first statement is number of books the library had is equal to 324. Our second statement is number of new books received is equal to 651. Now, we need to find the total number of books. So, our third statement is total number of books in the library is equal to. Let's add the two numbers. We always start adding from the ones place. In the ones place we have 4 and 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Write 5 in the ones place. Now let's add the tens. In the tens place we have 2 and 5. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Write 7 in the tens place. Now let's add the hundreds. In the hundreds place we have 3 and 6. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Write 9 in the hundreds place. Therefore, the total number of books in the library is 975. Very good children. Now, it's your turn. Solve the following sums and story sums on your own. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye children.